Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach the first chapter of English grammar, the sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now see the first example. Nest trees built in their buds. Can you notice this is a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. But when I say, check the next example, birds built their nest in trees. This gives the complete sense and it is a sentence. Check the another example. English are studying we. This is not a sentence because it is not in a proper order. But when I say we are studying English, this is a complete sentence. So you understood, I think? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It means there should be a complete thought. Now there are some points to remember. First, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Second, it contains a subject and a predicate. Third, it should contain words in a suitable order to convey the intended sense. Fourth, it should end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. It depends upon the kind of the sentence. Now our next point about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. Now I am going to define the definition of these kinds. First is assertive sentence. An assertive sentence makes a statement or assertion. It ends with a full stop. It means it going to inform us something. For example, the sun sets in the west. This is going to inform. And next is she is not a good singer. Now information about the singer of that girl. Second is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, what is your name? So it start with capital letter and end with question mark. Now second example, have you finished your homework? Question mark. So always remember that at the end of interrogative sentence you have to put the question mark. It is compulsory. Now our third kind is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a command, a request, an entreaty. Entreaty means humble request or a wish. Most imperative sentences end with a full stop. There are some examples of there. First is open the door. So this is a command. Next, please lend me your book. So with that please you understood this is a request. Next is save us. This is entreaty. It means there is a humble request. And next is about a wish, that is have a nice day. Hope you understood imperative sentence. Now our third kind is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong and sudden feeling such as surprise, anger, excitement or happiness. It ends with an exclamation mark. Look at the example. Wow, what a game! Exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So it shows our sudden and strong feelings. Our second example is what a lovely morning it is. Again you can notice that at the end there is a exclamation mark. Always remember students, words like please and kindly are used in an imperative sentence to express request. Hope you understood the chapter. Now let us recap once again. First is the definition of sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So example is we are studying English. Any meaningful sentence is called a proper sentence. Any meaningful group of words makes a proper sentence. Now come to the kinds. First kind is assertive sentence. It always makes a statement or assertion. Second, interrogative sentence. It always asks a question. Third, imperative sentence. It always expresses a command, request or wish. Third is exclamatory sentence. It always expresses with a strong and sudden feeling. Now come to the first exercise. Take your pencil. try to tick the answer by yourself. If you are able to solve this 6th question, it means you understood very well. Our first question is, a group of words that make complete sense is called a dash. So there are 3 options: subject, phrase or sentence. So what is the correct answer? Sentence. Now come to second. A sentence always begins with a dash. First, capital letter. Second, full stop. Third, small letter. What is the correct answer? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Now next is, a sentence ends with a dash. How it going to be end? With capital letter, full stop or small letter? It's going to be end with full stop. Now our fourth question is, we put a question mark at the end of an dash. Where we put question mark? After where? When we just going to complete the sentence. In interrogative sentence we going to put the question mark, or in imperative or assertive? Our answer is interrogative sentence. Now come to the next question. An imperative sentence. It expresses command, strong feeling, statement. What is the answer? Command. So an imperative sentence expresses command. Now 6th question. What a great singer Tansen was is an dash. Options are interrogative sentence, imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence. So here you can understood with the help of exclamation mark that this is an exclamatory sentence. So hope you all understood this chapter. Try to sort out the other exercises. Thank you.